Everybody wants money, but only a few people are taking the right steps to really get them. But this all can change very fast. In the past, it was Alexander Bell's invention called telephone, which has changed the way of human communication forever. And now there is the OneCoin cryptocurrency, which will completely change the whole financial system. In April 2015, this cryptocurrency, which is currently the third strongest one, finally entered Europe. OneCoin is following the great success of the strongest cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, which in the past 4 years created hundreds of new US dollar millionaires. But now there is OneCoin, which is holding its status of the fastest growing currency in the world. During the first 9 months, more than 430,000 people actively joined this project. On average, we have 3,500 new active members a day who join us and share this huge opportunity. This project offers a unique bonus plan with which it took only 9 months for 330 people to be able to earn 35,000 US dollars a week. Although the biggest base of our project is located in Asia, our company is currently expanding incredibly fast to almost all continents of the world. The biggest interest in this currency comes from the most populated China and India. It is also very popular in Finland, which even has its own record man. Mr. Juha Pariala has reached with his OneCoin income the 5th position in the list of people earning the highest amount of money in the multi-level marketing industry. He earns an unbelievable amount of 625,000 US dollars a month. From January the 1st to June the 25th, 2015, the value of one OneCoin increased from 0.1 euro to 1.25 euro. That is more than 1,000%, and the currency is still getting stronger and stronger. There are 2 types of income: money from recommendation, it means for building the structure of people, and money from OneCoin itself, where you can trade the currency in the internal exchange. OneCoin has also founded the first online crypto casino, where you can win in roulette, slot machines, poker, blackjack, and many other favorite games. As a part of this project, you'll also get a know-how from the best cryptocurrency professionals from the whole world who teach at the most prestigious universities. You can also purchase the Aurum Gold Coin, which is the first cryptocurrency ever backed by the real gold. This opportunity is here for those people who are aware of all the benefits and risks of running a business. That is the reason why we will definitely not tell you that everybody can earn hundreds of thousands of euro overnight in this company. Nevertheless, what we can say for sure is the fact that OneCoin offers everyone a huge opportunity to make money. Founder, owner, and chief operating officer of OneCoin, Dr. Ruja Ignatova, earned her master's degree in law from the University of Oxford and second master's degree in economics from the University of Constance. She also earned PhD degree. She wrote thesis on corporate litigation within the European Union. She is a former associate partner with McKinsey & Company. She cooperated with various financial institutions, like for example Sberbank, UniCredit Bank, Allianz, Raiffeisen Bank. She participated on several projects for Texas Pacific Group, which is one of the biggest private equity funds in the world. In 2012, she was awarded as the Businesswoman of the Year in Bulgaria in the category of the International Business. In 2014, she was awarded with the grand prize of the Businesswoman of the Year. She published 2 books in English, German and Chinese. Why should you join us? The biggest advantage is the unlimited source of income and the financial freedom. The project is at the very beginning in the world, and it was launched in Europe in April 2015. As the Wealth Code partner, you will get an access to the VIP zone, where you will find all necessary video manuals in the Czech language. We are also preparing other language mutations in Russian, Polish, Hungarian, English, and other world languages. We will tell you how to create a fast and efficient worldwide promotion campaign. Registration is for free, then you will have a 10-day trial period during which you can decide if you want to join us actively. Click on the button under the video. I want to earn money. You'll be redirected to a form where you only need to fill in your name and email address, where we will send you information what to do next. The registration process is easy, and you will immediately become our partner, and you will get your own wealth code. Enter our program now and join more than 430,000 partners. One of them is the previously mentioned Juha Pariala, who has already revealed his key to success. Right now, OneCoin is the fastest growing cryptocurrency in the world, so do not hesitate and become a part of the biggest revolution in currencies of this century for free.